Hello everyone, welcome back to ZubixPay. In today's tutorial video, I want to show us how to chat up the customer service, how to chat up the admin to submit your proof of payment, a screenshot of your receipt. Perhaps your prospect has sent money and you want to provide a proof of payment so that the payment can be processed. So once you come to the website www.zubixpay.com, you click on this live chat icon. Okay, once you click on it, then you can just you just click on this place. This is the chat. Okay. Then you submit. You click here to upload the proof of payment. All right. This is the icon to upload the proof of payment. So something like this. You just wait for it to load. If it didn't work, just try it again. You see. Okay, so now it has shown here. Look at the something. So you quickly click on this place. Click on this icon. Now once you've done this, I will receive it. I will receive the notification, and then I'll now process the payment and send to you. Meanwhile, once I've done this, also drop your bank details. Then once you drop your bank details, I will be able to save it. Okay, and then any other time you are sending proof of payment, I'll not be requesting for your bank details. Let's say that. Okay. All right. Very simple. Okay. Please also remember to change your name. If this is your first time of chatting us from this very place, change your name, okay? So that I will know you, or the admin, the person that's attending to you, if I'm not the one in the system, we know you and can be able to know your account details and send you the money. Okay. Click on change name. Okay. This your real name, okay? Don't add your nickname, just type your real name. All right, so that's it. Once you have done this, you wait for the admin to process your payment. If there is delay, that is when you can come and place a call on WhatsApp. But once I've done this, it's instant. The admin will know, receive the. It's just like chatting on WhatsApp. So this is where you chat us up now, so that we can limit our our communications on WhatsApp and focus on the site. It's very important, so it will be more official. All right, thank you very much for watching. Please kindly leave a question if you don't understand, and if there's anything I don't understand on this website, come and ask a question here. Maybe you're looking for a payment proof, sorry, you're looking for a particular country payment gateway. If you not see it, come here and ask your question. Just come to this very chat box, this live chat, and ask what you want, and you'll be replied to without wasting time. So when you are done, you remember to close the chat. All right, so thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.